for us the next couple
Oh
of
my
days.
God.
But then
New
chances this
Yorkers, New
week we return
Yorkers.
back into the forecast.
Now you
And
guys
even
finally
colder air
decide
back into the
to
forecast
reshoe
on Sunday.
the
We'll
street
drop this and
parking.
focus on this. Yeah, the cold
So
air
now
is
they're
out there. But
saying
look at
in
all
the
these
news,
skaters and
they
the
keep
snow
owner
tubers as well. How
of the
you
car
feel
that
for
buried
tonight?
in the
It's
snow
going the
for
wrong
weeks
way. I went the other way when I was
to
there.
dig up
In Bryant Park, 32
from
degrees,
now
partly
till
cloudy
Sunday,
skies. Feels
because
like 26 as you're
starting next week
outside right now. So we're
the
dealing
street
with
parking
these
will be
temperatures right
resumed.
at the freezing mark.
Why New Yorkers
Well, our temperatures in the remainder of
have
the
to wait
tri-state are also
weeks
sitting
before
in
they
the
decide
34s.
that?
Is
They
in the
shouldn't
34. We have
suspend
23 right
the
now in
street
Danbury.
parking in the
Liberty
beginning.
sitting at
We
30.
should dig them up
Patchogue right now,
while the
about
snow is
28
still
degrees.
fresh
Let's drop this again.
and
Step
soft,
on over to the side again.
so we
Pop up
can
another
move
box
all
here next
our
to me. And as I
cars
pop this up, be able to let you know
so
what
they
we
can
can
clean up the
expect as
snow.
we go through the night
Right?
tonight. And our temperatures, if it's going to pop up
What
here
kind of
for us, if you want me to
mentality is
show
that?
you, there you can hear it.
Anyway,
Our
thank you
temperature as we
guys
go
for
through
watching.
tonight is going to
Bye.
be into the 20s for us. So we're